Here in the WNEP backyard, it started snowing just after 4 Sunday morning, and we had no problem picking up those first few inches as the morning went on because when it started, that snow was very, very fluffy. As the day went on, though, the consistency of the snow changed, and because of that, so did the snow ratio. The typical snow-to-rain ratio, and a general rule to follow, is 10-to-1. That means for every 10 inches of snow that falls, melted down, it would equal around 1 inch of liquid in a rain gauge. When the temperature is right around 30 degrees, we can use that general 10-to-1 snow-to-rain ratio. But like everything with the weather, it is way more complicated than that. When it's really cold like it was this weekend, we will have a much higher snow ratio, like 20-to-1. So that same inch of liquid in the rain gauge would come out to be more like 20 inches of snow on the ground. With a 20-to-1 snow ratio, it will be a fluffy, light snow that is much easier to shovel. Many people we spoke to over the past few days noted that even though it was a lot of snow, they liked that it was so fluffy. But this type of snow also blows and drifts, much easier in the wind. If the temperature is warmer, like in the low and mid-30s, the ratio will be lower. So if the ratio is 5-to-1, that means the same inch of water in the rain gauge would only be 5 inches of snow on the ground. That's a lot less snow on the ground, even though the amount of liquid equivalent is the same. With warmer temperatures, the snow can melt slightly before it hits the ground, so that will add moisture to the snowflake, and it becomes more dense. These flakes stick together more easily, which is why it's easier to make snowballs and snowmen with this type of snow. Even though it stayed so cold the entire duration of the weekend storm, we did see the snow ratio change because warmer air aloft moved in. That's why some of us even saw some sleet mixing in, even though temperatures were only in the single digits. Allie Gallo, Newswatch 16.